So we need to activate dry sourdough starter, who is 2 years old from now. And we need to, how we are doing this, we take 10 grams of starter, add water 50 milliliters, a little bit warmer than room temperature, very little bit, and we mix this and mix very good, and leave it maybe for half an hour, maybe for 1 hour, until it will not all dissolve in water. After, we will add 2 tablespoons of flour, plus minus 2 tablespoons. After mixing our dry starter with warm water approximately 2-3 minutes, we have like this consistency. Maybe there is left small pieces, but it's okay, of starter. So we see such a foamy structure. Now we start from 1 spoon of flour. I will just want to show you what consistent should be. We should make movements like this to stuff, not only feed our starter, but oxygen. It's very important that he needs to breathe too. So this is structure after we add 1 tablespoon of flour. It's kind of liquid. It shouldn't be like this, it should be more thicker. It's like half spoon of flour. So this is structure which should be. This is our ideal consistent. Cover, and I did already small little holes, and leave on countertop temperature 70-75 degree Fahrenheit, maybe for 12, maybe for 24 hours, all depends from temperature. When temperature is higher, like 80, 82 degree, 85, process of fermentation will be 2 times faster. But now, because of winter, we have like 70 degree in a house, that's why it will take longer. So we will check after 24 hours what activity we will notice. So after 24 hours, we mixed, at the beginning we mixed 10 grams of dry starter, 50 milliliters of a little bit warm water, and approximately 50 grams of flour. After 24 hours, plus minus, you can see structure. So now we have healthy, happy starter, and he's ready to give us bread. So only 24 hours and he's ready for baking. You see such big bubbles inside. That's why this quantity here is approximately 2 tablespoons. It's not enough for our recipe, where we need to have 200 grams of happy starter. That's why everything approximately, I add plus minus 100 grams of top water, mix it very good. This way even fork will be easier for me. So because we need to create this one bubbly foam, we need to fill our starter with oxygen because he needs to have air. So So we mix very good temperature around like 72-75 degree. Now in a house we will add now flour. We will add spoon by spoon and mix every spoon. So we add 2. Consistent should be like for thick sour cream. This is very important step where you need to mix it very properly. Again, I repeat one more time, all depends from temperature. If in your house warmer, it can take for you less than 24 hours. If it's like 78-80 degree, you will see how your starter is acting. With time goes by, you will know mood of your starter and you will see what he needs, or he's hungry or he's moody, and what you need to do. Just feed or restart him, let him chill. Don't put it in a refrigerator right after you feed him. So you see I'm mixing and now getting thick structure. So exactly like this structure should be, piece by piece. This is very important. If it will be or thicker or more liquid, it's not really good. I tell you from all my experience, after these 2 years I tried many different recipes and how to find out how to take care of your starter. So here approximately like 250 grams of starter. So again we mix very good. So this is perfect structure, you see, piece by piece. This is perfect structure for our starter. We leave on countertop. Again, all depends from temperature. We cover, we have a hole in our foil hole, so only 5 hours after we feed our starter first time with 100 milliliters of water and 100 grams of flour, and you see how happy, how fluffy he is, how many bubbles. He is now ready to baking bread. So he's so happy, and he will give you very fluffy, bubbly bread. Temperature about 77 degree. Now that's why he grows so fast, like 4 or 5 hours, and he's ready for baking bread. So if temperature is lower, it takes more time, but now you can see. So this structure should be like this. So if we will make tests, we will see that it will be floating on top because this is full of air inside. Only if starter like this, you can start mixing bread. In another conditions, don't waste even time and products.